Hey there, summer 2019 ECE 103 folks. It's really good to see you. Just wanted to connect in at the start of week 3, short little video just to say keep up the great work. Still hitting a few glitches. Looks like some materials were taken down since I last checked on them. One of them was taken down in the middle of the week. Totally crazy. But you guys rolled with those glitches really well. I think we have everything worked out. So a couple quick updates. You'll see I put an announcement up about week 3. The DARS Building Your Bounds assignment is now extra credit, and you have until July 7th to complete it. You'll take the survey, and then you'll do your reflection, and that is extra credit. If you already completed it, awesome. You've got your extra credit done. If you haven't completed it, you now have about a month, not quite, to get that done. The activity packet for week 3 has been updated. My apologies for uploading last week's packet. And then the chapter 3 quiz that you took last week, I did not say in the checklist that it was due Tuesday. So as long as you completed it last week, you'll get full credit for it. Now quickly, I want to look at this week. So I am viewing this as a student. And here we are in week 3. You'll see you've got your checklist here, your chapter 4 quiz, your activities packet, and then all of your materials to review for the week. And then here's where you'll upload your activities packet. And then here's the extra credit of the DARS assignment. I also want to show you, you'll notice on here it doesn't show you the weekly discussion board. And that is because, as a reminder, you have to take your chapter 4 questions. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to show you continue to quiz. And again, I'm viewing this as a student, so I would put my answers in here. I would type my answers, and unfortunately, I'm not going to give you all the answers this week, but I did, and I'm writing in gibberish here, and blah-de-blah, blah-de-blah, and one more blah-de-blah. Okay. And then I submit my quiz. Make sure that you click submit quiz a second time. That's really important. If you don't do this, it will not be marked as complete. You do that, hooray, I put my attempt in. I am done. Once I do that, when I go back to week 3, ta-da, there's a week 3 discussion. So, there you go. That is everything that you should need for this week. We are up and running and going full speed ahead, week 3 out of the 10. Get with me between now and noon on Friday if you have any questions. If you email me over the weekend, you probably won't hear back from me until Monday. So be sure to email me ahead of time, and I'm here for you. So have a great week.